Welcome to GeorgeWay Math TV.
Write these in two other notations. Before I'm going to answer this right here, right? There's something that I want you to keep in mind. When it comes to notations, you have to remember this point right here. That the ratio of two numbers. So let's just put A and B to be, let's say, our numbers right here. So the ratio of A and B can be written in three different ways. It could be three different notations. So these are the notations. A over B, A to B, or A ratio B. So sometimes you'll be given one notation and they'll ask you for the two other notations. So these are the other two, A to B and then A ratio B. Sometimes they'll give you A to B and they'll ask you the other two. It should be A over B and A ratio B. They'll give you A ratio B, they'll ask you for the other two. It should be A over B and then A to B. So as long as you remember this right here, this question is very easy. You're probably saying, I still want to be able to do this question right here. Well, don't worry, I'm going to show you. Don't worry about it. Okay, so I'm being asked to write these in two other notations. So the first one right here that I see, I have 2 over 8. So the other notations that this could be written into is 2 ratio 8 and 2 to 8. So that's for the first one. And for the B part, A ratio B, 1 ratio 2. The other two notations is what? 1 over 2 and 1 to 2. Okay. Alright, so as long as I remember these right here, find a way to remember this, I should be good. But those are the notations. Okay, alright.
Please don't forget to subscribe, tap the bell to be notified for new videos, and share.